Hey outdoor enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the best in camping gear and outdoor adventures. If you are like us, you'll love the ambience and warmth of a campfire in the outdoors. But with many campsites having restrictions on open fires and other spots just not being appropriate for them, we found one of our latest gadgets, not only a great alternative, but also with added features that make it multi-use. So stick with us as we dive into the ultimate portable campfire with the BondStove Mini. Don't forget to check out our other videos on everything campervan and motorhome related, from solar to water, heating to gadgets, tyres to trips. If you like this video, please do hit the thumbs up. It really does help me to know what you like, and you can ask any questions or give feedback in the comments. If you want to make sure you don't miss any of our future videos, please hit the subscribe button, and clicking the bell will give you a notification when a new video goes live. Finally, if you do decide to hit the thumbs down, it would be great if you could also leave a comment so I'd know what you didn't like. Whether you're a seasoned camper or just love a good backyard bonfire, this compact stove promises to bring warmth and ambience anywhere you go. From its sleek design to its efficient burn, we'll be putting it to the test. We'll cover setup, performance, and of course, see how it handles cooking up some delicious campfire treats. So you can decide if the BondStove Mini is the perfect addition to your outdoor gear collection. So let's get on with it. Unlike many similar stoves, the BondStove Mini comes with a box full of extras. Firstly, there's the storage bag, which protects the stove and keeps everything together. The spirit burner enables the use of liquid fuels, and for safety includes a snuffer. The stove shield ensures the flames are directed to create optimum airflow and protect the finish of the stove, and the grill rack enables cooking on the stove, so it isn't just a visual object, it's a practical one too. The cost of the BondStove Mini isn't trivial, so it's good that you get a wide range of accessories included, and the build quality definitely has that feel you would expect for the price. Constructed entirely from durable stainless steel and finished with a food grade, high temperature resistant ceramic coating, makes it safe and easy to clean, ensuring that the exterior remains like new over long term use. WarmBond very kindly sent us the stove to try out, and we're also happy to share our discount code, which even improves the price. This is WarmBond's second generation BondStove Mini, and its dual airflow structure design has been redesigned with rounded corners to accelerate airflow. This enhancement leads to a better secondary combustion and significantly reduces the nuisance of smoke. The stove isn't picky about its type of fuel, so let's run through the four choices you have. Firstly, seasoned wood. As you can see, lighting the stove is simple, and once burning you can see that secondary burn and the lack of smoke. You can see here that we have it on a plastic surface as the base stays nice and cool. But for safety, we'd probably recommend putting something to protect the surface underneath the burner just in case. When the fire has finished, you can see just how efficient the burn is by the lack of leftover wood and ashes. If simplicity is for you, then wood pellets might be your choice of fuel. As you can see here, although it's called the Mini, it can hold a lot of pellets. In fact, up to 1 kilo of them. Once lit, these burn well and take no tending at all, giving a lovely, efficient and warm smoke-free flame. The third choice of fuel ideal for cooking or keeping warm is charcoal. As you can see, this burns well without a flame, giving you all those lovely warm embers, perfect for cooking on, which we'll try later in the video. The last fuel is ideal for a quick and easy ambient flame that you can pop on the table. We're using biofuel in the liquid burner, and as you can see, the flame is superb, with the added advantage that it can be extinguished instantly and safely with the supplied snuffer. Now, great as the BondStove Mini looks, it's also practical. I've used a mix of wood to get it lit and charcoal for the embers to give me a great base to cook on. With the grill rack added to the BondStove, I'm using 1/2 of our griddle sandwich pan, which we love, to throw together some breakfast. And breakfast wouldn't be complete without a decent coffee. And the BondStove Mini grill rack is the perfect size for the mocha pot trivet we already have for the gas hob, so that we can brew up So overall, what do we think? Well, we are big fans of campfires and cooking on real flames. The ambience it brings really can make an evening magical. The fact that we can now have that experience with one fuel or another on most campsites and without the annoying smoke using the BondStove Mini has been a bit of a game changer for us. We've been using it for some time now and it still looks as good as it came out of the box. The fact it has so much flexibility when it comes to fuel and everything you need is included in the package really does make it a great choice. You can purchase the BondStove Mini direct from WarmBond using our discount link in the video notes. Thanks for watching our video, and as always, if you have any questions or feedback, please pop them in the comments below. If you find the video useful, please like, share and consider subscribing.